Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix content failure to load. If this getting this error, simply few methods try to this error fix it. Before you are begin, like this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start that steps. First step, Xbox reset. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that settings. Just click to operate. Click on the apps. Click on the installed apps. Then search apps. Click here to type that Xbox. Then three dot click here, then select the advanced option, then scroll down, then click here to repair button. Once it repair button, click here to reset. You can, if this app is not working right, just click repair. This finish it, then close it, then go to the next step, update the Xbox. So go to the start menu, click on the Microsoft Store, open it, then go to the library, then search bar and type Xbox. If you have available Xbox update, just click to update that your latest version. I have already updated, so close it. You do not have not update, so click to update your latest version, then go to the next method for the command promote. So go to the Windows search bar, then type the command promote, then right click on run as administrator, then confirmation yes, click here. This commands all description insert, then copy to paste. Then first command for the IP config, give the space /flash DNS. The next command IP config, give the space release, again IP config, give the space renew, then finally exit. Then go to the next step, DNS server address changes. So go to the again Windows search bar, then type the control panel, click to open it, click on the network and sharing center, then click on the change adapter settings. If you connected Ethernet or adapter selected, then right click on the properties, then select Internet Protocol version 4, then below click on the properties, then select the use the following DNS server address. Prefer DNS server address 8.8.8.8, alternative DNS server address 8.8.4.4. fulfill, hit the OK and close it again, hit the OK and close it, then go to the next step. This method tried to did not working, then go to the next step. Finally for reset internet connection, so go to the again Windows search bar, then type that settings, then click to open it, click on the apps, click on the network internet, then scroll down, click on the advanced network settings, again scroll down, then select network reset. Just finally you reach reset now button, just click to confirmation, click here yes. Once it click to reset your network settings, reset it, then finally restart your system, then solve it your problem, and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime.